Hey, let's talk about how to make your old speakers wireless. Hey, what's up? This is Sunil from Red and Graphics. Are you the one who loves your old speakers or music system which is not wireless but sounds good? Don't worry, you can significantly upgrade it by making it wireless. Before we begin, if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the future notifications. Let's dive straight into the topic of this video. As we all know, technology has made our lives much easier. However, technology is more usable when it's wireless. So let's make your speakers wireless today. If you own a good quality speaker which is not wireless, this is a small Bluetooth audio adapter by Logitech which can make your life easier. Some silent features of this adapter are right here on your screen. It's a multi-point Bluetooth adapter, has multiple devices can be paired simultaneously. It has a convenient one-push pairing button. It works with PC speakers, home stereo systems and AV receivers as well. It provides no compromise Logitech audio. It has a reliable 15-meter line of sight range. Let's find out what is in the package. It comes in a beautiful packing. Its features and specifications are briefed on the box. It has a price tag of Indian rupees 2295. However, actual price may vary according to the seller. Only thing which is not mentioned anywhere is the version of Bluetooth for this adapter, which is Bluetooth version 3.0 as per Amazon. Here are the contents of the box. It has a main Bluetooth audio adapter unit which has a nice matte finish and Logitech branding on it. On the back it has few ports. Box contains a power adapter to power up the main unit and it doesn't have USB power option out of the box. Company provides almost a meter long RCA to 3.5 mm cable which is necessary to connect it with speakers. Last but not the least is the product documentation enclosed in the package, which contains some do's and don'ts as well as adapter setup guide. This piece of documentation explains both the ways to connect the adapter to the speaker depending on the speaker or music system you own. Its build quality is great and it doesn't feel cheap in the hands. On the back of this adapter it has a 3.5 mm jack, 2 RC connectors and an power adapter port. It has a beautiful and big clickable pairing button at the top. Let's connect the adapter by using method 1. Here goes the power adapter and 3.5 mm jack will go this way. Let's plug in the power adapter in the power socket. These RCA connectors will go into the speaker's aux input. Now all the connections have been made. Let's pair the device with the Bluetooth adapter. I need to press the big pairing button and adapter notifies me with a pairing beep as well as blinking light that it's ready to pair. Click on the Logitech Bluetooth adapter on your device and it will confirm the pairing with an audio notification. Let's play an audio sample just to show you the audio quality of this adapter. Let's see the second method to connect the adapter with a speaker or music system which has a 3.5 mm jack for audio input. The RCA cable connected in second method is the other way around and everything else remains the same as in method 1. Let's talk about the pros of this adapter. It's a beautiful piece of hardware which can be placed anywhere on your shelf. It provides a good sound quality. It is easy to pair it with the devices. It has a 15-meter range which is enough for home environment. As the only cons of this adapter, it doesn't have built-in USB power option and you need a separate power adapter to power it up, which can be challenging if you want to use it in your car. So that's all about this tiny but useful adapter. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe if you loved it. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys in the next one.